In this video, Elon Musk launched his own AI company. Google is testing a neural network for writing news articles. AI drones are solving traffic congestion issues on roads. Chinese authorities demand that AI adhere to the core values of socialism. Google Maps, now on the fast lane. Welcome to the weekly Artificial Intelligence News Roundup. Let's get started. Elon Musk has launched his own AI company called xAI. The company's exact focus is still a bit mysterious, but Musk confirmed that they are working on an alternative to the chatbot ChatGPT called TruthGPT. He described it as an AI that seeks maximum truth and aims to understand the nature of the universe. In other news, Google is testing a neural network for writing news articles, known as Genesis. This impressive system can generate complete news articles based on input facts. But don't worry, Google doesn't plan to replace journalists with AI. Genesis is meant to assist in article preparation. On the transportation front, AI-powered drones are tackling traffic congestion issues on roads. In Melbourne, designers are experimenting with these drones, which analyze road situations, optimize routes, and manage traffic flow, all in an effort to combat those annoying traffic jams. In a more politically oriented news piece, Chinese authorities are demanding that AI adhere to the core values of socialism. Developers associated with AI must align with the party's policies and use only verified data sources. The AI must also conform to socialist values and not attempt to overthrow the system. And finally, let's talk about the cool updates to Google Maps. The app now features 3D city maps with real-time weather and time-of-day information. While it's not available for everyone just yet, Google promises to roll it out to all users soon. Stay tuned for more exciting AI news and updates. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.